Oh my gosh, I have a new fidget spinner. Well, actually, I didn't been in this place before. Well, the new fidget spinner looks cool. I like spinning it, but I can't spin it because it's not in hard ground. Well, I am soft. Well, it looks cool. Well, I just what to do. Okay, never mind. I just wanted this fidget spinner. Look, yeah, I got it from the mail. Oh, oh, oh. Well, it looks dope. You mean it's cool? It's like ninja star. And my name is Marionette. And actually, wow,